Find optimal solution to the transportation problem from the basic feasible solution. 3. The allocation is 20. What is allocation? 20 units is allocated. 2. Okay, 4 units is allocated. 5. On the 5 it is 18 units is allocated. 7, 9 units is allocated. 3, 6 is allocated. 2, 4, 7 units is allocated. 1, 6 units is allocated. You got this? Done everybody? Not done. Copied? Still not. Oh yeah, it is changed only. This is actually supply. This is actually supply. This is demand. Is that okay? Okay. Copied? Done now. Hello? Excuse me. What is this method? Tell me. Please respond. If you completed, please respond, everyone. Ready? Now tell me. Read the question. What is the question? What is the name of the method? Modified distribution method. What is the name of the method? Tell me. Modified distribution method. What we are going to find out in modified distribution method? The optimal solution. What does that tell me? In northwest corner rule method, in least cost entry, lowest cost entry method, and in Vogel's approximation method, we are going to find out only the basic feasible solution. Basic feasible solution or initial solution. The meaning is you will get an answer. You will get an answer. The answer is not the best. Answer is not the best. Suppose in the second last question we have done a question in Vogel's approximation method. Some of you got an answer of 80, some of you got an answer of 76, correct? In modified distribution method, but you are checking whether you can reduce the value of 80 into further, whether the 80 will reduce into further, yes or no. Now either some of you got answer 80, some of you got answer 76, correct? The whoever got 80, it is possible to reduce the answer further, correct? In the last question, I have solved this question with the help of MS Excel solver application, and I proved that the best answer is 76. Best answer is 76. Now, if there is a question, someone is asking you, how is 76 can be reduced further? The answer is no. Answer is no. Then we can stop the question over here, correct? Now, if 80 can be reduced further, definitely yes. Definitely yes. If yes comes, then we have to reduce the cost from 80. For reducing the cost from 80, we will use another method. That is called the stepping stone method. What is the name of the method? Stepping stone method. Now, how to decide this? How to decide this in modified method? Now, listen. In modified distribution method, the test of optimality is done through Dij. What does that tell me? Dij. Dij equal to Cij minus Ui plus Vj. What does that tell me? Dij equal to Cij minus Ui plus Vj. Don't think the complex way. It is very simple. The first matrix, it is called Cij. What does that mean? Cij. From the first matrix, we will deduct the second matrix. The second matrix name is Ui plus Vj. Ui plus Vj. Second matrix we will deduct, and finally we will get the third matrix. This matrix is called Dij. Everybody following? Sollunge. Comfortable? If all the values in the last matrix, in the Dij matrix are greater than or equal to 0 or simply non-negative. Simply what? Non-negative. None of the value is negative, then our answer is best. Answer is best. If any of the value is negative, our answer is not the best. We will be able to reduce the cost by further. For example, I am getting a value, one is minus 4, I am getting another value minus 2. Then which is the highest negative? Irrespective of the sign, highest negative is 4. It is what? Tell me. If you are asking minus 2 or minus 4, which is the biggest one, the real answer is minus 2. But here, minus 4 is the one value, minus 2 is the another value. Suppose we are getting two negative value, we are going to put allocation on the value which is having minus 4. The meaning of minus 4, if you are putting an allocation into this cell, tell me, to this cell, for every one allocation you are giving, your per unit cost will be decreased by 4 per unit. What is the cost will decrease? 4 per unit. If you are giving allocation to the cell which is having a value of minus 2, your per unit cost will decrease by 2 per unit. What does that tell me? 2 per unit. So which is best? 4 per unit decreasing or 2 per unit decreasing? Tell me. 4 per unit is decreasing is best. Everybody following? Now don't worry, okay? Now in this question, the question which I selected the first time, you will get the answer no. You will get the answer what? Tell me? No. If I am taking this question first, you will get a lot of confusion. First let me finish how to do this question, okay? In this question, our Dij value will be non-negative. Non-negative, we will go systematically. First of all, I am teaching what is our stepping stone method. If I am teaching first of all it will be difficult for you, okay? And don't think that Modi's method is something very, very complex. It is simple only. It is what tell me? Simple only. Now can I teach? Are you ready? The 70% of the difficulty comes for computing Ui plus Vj value. What tell me? Ui plus Vj value. This is the one area which people face difficulty in computation. But if you are doing it properly, it's a simple thing. It's a very, very simple thing. It's a very, very simple thing. Now let me compute Ui plus Vj value. Let me compute Ui plus Vj value. Everything I made animation. Okay. Now, right now. Okay. Now the first allocation. What did me tell me? The first allocation. Now listen me. Listen. This is the first row. This is the what? Tell me. First allocation. This is the first cell having allocation. The first cell is having allocation. It is the first row. It is the first. Tell me. It is the first row and it is the first column. First row we call U1. First row we call what it mean? U1. And first column we call it is V1. Is what it mean? V1. This is the cell having. This is the second row. This is tell me. Second row. Tell me. Response. Second row. First column. Now tell me what is this? This is U2 V1. U2 V1. Is it U1 V2 or U2 V1? U2 V1. U2 V1. Now this is, tell me, what is this? This is third column or this is third row, second column or second row, third column. This is second row, third column. Second row, third column. Second row, it is U2. Second row, it is what it mean? U2. Third column, it is V3. It is what it mean? V3. Now tell me what is the code here? This is the second row, that is U2, and this is which column? Fourth column. This is V4. Comfortable? Sollunge, comfortable? Now this is tell me what is this actually? This is third row, and this is the first column. It is V1, correct? Now tell me what is the code here? This is U3 plus V5, U3 plus V5. This is U4 plus V1. This is U4 plus V2. Respond. You are not responding properly. You lost your energy. Are you ready, my dear friends? Now, first allocation on first row, first column. First row, first column. What I am going to do? First row, it is U1. First row, it is what in me? U1. First row, it is U1. First column, it is V1. So, I am going to write U1 plus V1 equal to 3. U1 plus V1 equal to 3. This is U1, this is V1, correct? Now, I am just writing. You need to get the answer in 5 minutes, or you want to get the answer in 60 minutes? 5 minutes. If you want to get the answer in 5 minutes, you should follow some system, correct? Now look at here, what I'm going to do on the corresponding, I'm just writing U1 equal to, I'm just writing V1 equal to. Is that okay? Is that okay? It's a technique to get the answer in seconds, not in seconds, in minutes, okay? Now, this is the second allocation comes here, am I right? This is second row, first column, second row, first column. This is U2 plus V1, U2 plus V1 equal to 2. Which 2? This value 2. The cost is 2. The 3, which is the cost is 3. Cost is what will be? 3. This is 2. Next, tell me, now what I'm supposed to do? U2 equal to, then V1 equal to, comfortable? சொல்லுங்க, loudly பேசுங்க, comfortable? Okay, next, tell me, this is U2, this is what tell me? U2 plus what? This, tell me, V3, U2 plus V3 equal to what? 8, 1, this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1. Now this is U2 equal to, this is V3 equal to, tell me, V3 equal to. Now next allocation is, tell me, what is this actually? This is, yeah, U2, tell me, U2 plus what? It is V4 equal to what? Equal to 5. The cost is 5. Cost is what will be? 5. Now I am writing U2 equal to, I am writing V4 equal to, now next, tell me, this is third row, this is what will be? Third row, U3 plus what? V1 equal to, sollunge, it is 7, it is what will be? 7. Now this is U3 equal to, now tell me, V1 equal to, tell me, V1 equal to, now what is this? Yeah, U3, tell me, U3 plus what? V5, U3 plus V5 equal to 3, Now what I'm supposed to write here? U3 equal to V5 equal to, correct? The alignment of writing U1, V1 should be in a order. Alignment should be perfect. If you are writing some values in this page, some value in another page, it will take time. Everything should write in the same page. Now we are having 2 more values, am I right? Now what is this value? Tell me, U4 plus, U4 plus what? V1 equal to 2, Next say U4, tell me, U4 plus V2, no, actually it is U4 only, U4 equal to, that is enough. U4 equal to, yeah, this is U4 equal to. Now tell me, what is this actually? V1 or V2? It is, first, this is V1 only, first one. Now I thought this one. Okay, next thing, tell me, the last one, tell me, U4 plus V2 equal to 1. Now you write U4 equal to, Next is V2 equal to. Comfortable? Sollunge. If you are able to get the values of V1 and V2, V1 and V2, I believe I would like to say 70% is done. 70% is done. Normally, how to do this value computation? They will put any one of the value into 0. Any one of the value into 0. For example, first equation is u1 plus v1. First equation is u1 plus v1 equal to 3. Okay, you will put v1 is equal to 0, then u1 is equal to 3. Okay, substitute u1 is equal to 3 into next equation. Am I right? You will get another value. That is a rule followed, but we need to get answer. We need to get answer fastly. So we have to use our own techniques. Are you ready? Sollunge. Now let me count which value is repeated most. Please check. U1 is repeated how many times? Only one time. Only one time. U1 appeared only one time. It is not repeated. Am I right? U2 1, 2, 3. How many times? 3 times U2 appeared. 2 times. How many times appeared? 3 times U2 appeared. Now U3 appeared how many times? 2 times. U4 appeared how many times? 2 times. V1 appeared 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4 times which appeared. V1 appeared. V4 only one time. Am I right? V3 only one time. V2 only one time. Now, if you want to get answer easily and fastly, what you're supposed to do? Which value repeated most time? Which value repeated most time? Give them 0. Give them, allocate them as 0. Any value you can put 0, no problem. But it will take time. It will take time. Best technique, tell me which value repeated most of the time. Give them 0. Suppose 2 values repeated 2 times. 3 values repeated, 2 values repeated 4 times. You can give any of the value, no problem. Am I right? Ultimately, final answer will be same. Final answer will be same. Now, can I give V1 is equal to 0? Give me, tell me, can I give V1 is equal to 0? I am putting V1 is equal to 0, V1 is equal to 0, V1 is equal to 0, V1 is equal to 0. Look at the board. First constraint U1 plus first equation U1 plus V1 equal to 0. Correct? In this equation U1 is 0. U1 is what? Tell me. 0. Then U1 plus 0 equal to 3. U1 plus 0 equal to 3. Simply, what is the meaning? U1 equal to 0. U1 is equal to 3. U1 equal to 3 is the answer. We got U1 equal to 3. U1 equal to 3. We got, tell me what we got. U1 equal to 3. I got U1 equal to 3. Now I am checking. Hello, it has to go systematically. It has to go systematically. I am checking any U1 in the bottom. No. If it is there, I will put U1 is equal to 3. Understood or not understood? Now V1 is equal to 0. V1 is equal to 0. Then U2 is equal to 2. U2 is equal to, I got U2 is equal to 2 here. Correct? Now I am checking whether any U2 in the bottom or up. Yes, it is here. It is here. Comfortable? Sollunge. Happy or unhappy? Happy or unhappy? Loudly. Loudly say happy or unhappy. Now V1 is equal to 0. V1 is equal to, if I put V1 is equal to 0, U3 is equal to 7. U3 is equal to 7. U3 equal to 7. I also got here. Correct? Sollunge. Now V1 is equal to 0. V1 is equal to 0. U4 is equal to what? It is 2 only. It is what tell me? 2 only. Correct? Now U4 is equal to what? 2 only. Now we need to find out the remaining value here. Yes or no? Now I am taking the last equation. U4 plus V1 equal to 1. Correct? Sollunge. U4 is 2. U4, this is V2. This is V2. U4 plus V2 is equal to 1. Correct? Now U4 is 2. U4 is what tell me? 2, then u2 plus v2 is equal to 1, correct? V2 is equal to 1 minus 2. What is that? What is that? V2 is equal to what? 1 minus 2. Simply this minus this, correct? Hello? Now the technique, what is that? Tell me. 1 minus 2. You understood? Sollunge. Now the technique to find out the value over here, this minus this. This minus 1 minus 2 is the technique. 1 minus 2 is the technique. Now tell me 3 minus 3, see, is already 0. Already 0. 2 minus 2, it is already 0. Correct? 1 minus 2 minus 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 7, tell me, minus 4. Minus 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Comfortable? Can you copy this? If you are able to find out u1 and v1 value, 70% is done. Don't worry. Copy this. Once you finish, let me know. Done? Okay? Finished everyone? You got V1, V2 values? Hello, are you happy? You got everybody? Okay, fine. Yeah, already animation is done, but we are not using the animation. Am I right? We have done manually. Am I right? Now we need to find out What is that? Yeah. Uh, Wait. DAJ values. CAJ. Should I do manually? Okay. Now, excuse me. Please listen me. One second. Now, please listen me. Are you here? Now we are having two matrices. How many matrices? Three matrices. First one is Cij. Tell me. Cij. From the Cij, you will deduct Ui plus Vj. Ui plus, finally we will get Dij. Finally we will get what will be? Dij. In your exam question paper, you should not, some people, I seen that some of the students, they are showing the what is that, Cij matrix here, then in another way, the same row, they will keep Ui plus Vj, then on the bottom they will write Dij. Don't do that. It's a complex question. Express in such language. In one page, what you have to do, this is the exam answer sheet. Am I right? This is the exam. First, on the top you write Cij. On the top you write Cij. Next you write what? Ui plus Vj. On the next page, you show, or if you have space over there only, you will show Dij. In this way, it should be presented in 1.5 page. It's a complex calculation. Correct? Sollunge. Now, right now, this is a tough question. Am I right? Tell me, yaar. Now, what I'm going to solve. Now, tell me, this cell is having allocation. Correct? Second cell is having allocation. Am I right? Sollunge is having allocation. Third cell is having allocation. Fourth is also having allocation. This is having allocation. This is having allocation. This is having allocation. Am I right? 5 is having allocation. Am I right? Am I right? This is having allocation. Then which one is having allocation? I think these are the values of allocation. Am I right? First I am going to finish Cij. What does it mean? Cij. Now wherever, can I do with manually? Okay. Wherever there is allocation, you just put star. Wherever there is allocation, you just put what will be? Star. This cell we are having allocation. Correct? Then this cell we are having allocation. Tell me yes or no, whether we are having. Third, I think all the four we are having allocation in this column. Am I right? This is having allocation. Wherever there is allocation, put star. Put what will me? Star. Now this is having allocation. This is having allocation. Correct? Now where, I think the second row, am I right? In the second row, we are having allocation. We are having, tell me, allocation. I think the last allocation is F3W4. F3W5. F3W5. This is, we are having allocation. Wherever there is allocation, just put star. Just put star. The remaining value, what is the remaining value? 4, 6, then I think 8, 9, then 10, then is 8, then what? 11, then 20, 40. 20, what tell me? 40. This is 9, 14, 16. We just write like that. Copy. This is Cij matrix. Please, please, please. Yeah. What we done? Wherever there is allocation, we put what? Tell me? Star. Hello? This was our original question. This was our original question. This we kept for reference. Am I right? Comfortable? Happy? Ready? Yeah. Now, what is the next matrix? Hello, we got first matrix. What is the name of the matrix? Cij. What is the next matrix? Ui plus Vj. Ui plus, actually computation of Ui plus Vj is also considered as tough. But if you are using some techniques, it is also very easy. Can I do that? Hello, you can find out the answer in minutes, less than 3 minutes. Ready? Now, while you drawing Ui plus Vj, some techniques we are going to use. We got U1 is equal to what? Check. What is U1? U1 is equal to what? 3. I am keeping U1 is equal to 3. U2 is equal to what? Tell me. 2. I changed the value. Remember? That is what it is become 2. U1 is equal to 2. U3 is equal to, U4 is equal to, V1 is equal to 0. V2 is equal to, is it minus 1 correct? If there is any mistake, because I altered one value, you remember, then V3 is equal to minus 3. V4 is equal to, V3 is equal to, yeah, you tell me. V1 is equal to what? 0. V2 is equal to minus 1. V3 is equal to minus 1. V4 is equal to 3. V5 is equal to minus, this is minus 4. Am I right? Minus 4. Is that okay? Tell me. Yeah, now I'm going to find out Ui plus Vj values. Ui plus Vj values. Wait. This is 2. Correct? This is 3. This is what? One second. Yeah. Help me on this. 1 second. This is what? First one is 3. Correct? This one is 2. The third one is 7. Fourth one is 2. Can I? Now, symbol. Are you ready? Wherever there is allocation, put the star. Put the star. Wherever there is allocation, the rule is same. Star. Stars are always stars. Am I right? Now I think we are having 2 stars here. Correct? 2 star here. Then where I think the second last star here. Here there is 1 star. Correct? Comfortable? Sollunge. Now look at the board. Okay. Now we need to find out Ui plus Vj. Ui plus Vj symbol. Now it is very simple. Look at here. 3 plus minus 1. 3 plus minus 1. It is 2. 3 plus minus 1. It is 2. 3 plus this minus 1. Am I right? It is 2. 3 plus 3. This is 6. 3 plus minus 4. It is minus 1. Happy? Now 2 plus minus 1. 2 plus minus 1. What is the answer? It is 1. 2 plus minus 4 minus 2. Am I right? The last one. Tell me. 7 plus minus 1. 6. Next say 7 plus minus 1. 6. Next say 7 plus 3. What is that? 10. Next say 2 plus minus 1. 1. Next say 2 plus 3. 5. Next say 2 plus minus 4. It is minus 2. Are you happy? Sollunge. Happy. Copy. So far so good? Tell me yaar. Done. Happy? Hello? Are you happy, my dear friends? Happy only. Okay. The last matrix we are going to find out Dij. Okay. While seeing Dij, Cij minus Ui plus Vj, everyone thinks that it is something rocket science. Dij, Cij, what is that? Symbol only, my dear friends. Okay. Can I? Yeah. You already copied these values. Am I right? Now, Dij is very very simple. Very very simple. Can I? Can I use this? Is that okay? Are you able to see the previous values? No, no. I will make it manually. Okay. Now, please. Yeah. Hello. I think one more column. Am I right? Hello. Are you here? How many rows? Four. Am I right? Are you here, my dear friends? This is our first row. Am I right? F1, F2, F3, F4. Correct? This is, tell me, W1, W2, W3, W4, W5. Okay, now please, excuse me. Dij we are going to find out. What does that tell me? Simple techniques. Listen me. Wherever there is star, wherever there is, tell me, star, I am putting star. Star is always star. Correct? Hello? Yeah. This is stars. I think where is the other star? This one. This one we are having star. Then these two. Second row. Am I right? Second row, column number 3 and 4. Correct? This is star, 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 star. Okay? Now you think some of you thinking it is like a rocket science. My dear friends, is very simple. Dij means Ui Cij minus Ui plus Vj. Now this value is 4. This value is what tell me? 4. This value is what? 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Simple thing. 4 minus 2. Sollunge. It is 2. This is simply 2. Simply 2. 6 minus 2. Tell me. 4. 6 minus 2. 4. 8 minus 6. 2. 9 minus 1. It is 10. It is what? 10. Next say. This is I think 1. 1 minus 1. 0. Next say. 8 minus 2. 10. Next say. This is, what is the value? 7. 11. 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6. What is that? 5. Next say. 20 minus 6. 14. 10 minus 10. What is that? 10 minus F2. F2. Which one? F2. W. It is 10. 9. 10 minus 1. It is 9. It is 9. 10 minus. Oh, that is 10. It is not 1. Am I right? Yeah, I thought this is 1. 10. Okay. 10 minus. Tell me. 10 minus 1. It is 9. 10 minus 1. It is what? Tell me. 9. Then what else? Tell me. What about this? 20. This is 20. 20 minus 6. It is 14. It is 14. Am I right? Next is what? What is here? 40. 40 minus 10. 30. 40 minus 10. It is 30. Correct? Then 9 minus 1. Tell me. 8. Next say. 14 minus 5. 9. Next say. 16. 16 minus 2. It is 18. Now, my dear friends, is there any of the, sorry, any of this value we got negative? Is there any value with the negative? No, none of these values negative. None of these values negative. So our solution is optimal. Solution is optimal. Write down. First you copy this. That means we got the very best answer. You cannot reduce it further. -16 -2. You are good in maths. Ready? No problem. The last people comfortable? Okay. Okay, everybody. Hello. Now you write the conclusion. Since there are two ways you can write the conclusion. First, write on. Since no Dij is negative. Since no Dij is what? Tell me. Since no Dij is negative. Since no Dij is what? Tell me. Negative. The solution is optimal. The solution is optimal. Since no Dij is negative, the solution is optimal. The solution is optimal. Since no Dij is negative, the solution is optimal. This is the one way you can write. Another way, since all Dij, since all Dij greater than or equal to 0, since all Dij greater than or equal to 0, since all Dij greater than or equal to 0, the solution is optimal. The solution is optimal. Solution is what? Tell me. Optimal. And finally you should show the optimal. Actually I made animations everything, but because of the software change, instead of PowerPoint we are using some other software, WPS something. That is why this change came. Okay. Otherwise, see this, everything is done. See, there is some slight difference in the value. Okay, because one value we altered. Am I right? That is the thing. Okay, since all Dij greater than or equal to 0, the solution is what? Tell me. Optimal. Finally, please. Finally, hello. Finally, you have to show the calculation. What is the total cost? What is the total cost? One difference, F2W2 instead I think it is cost is 2. This is not 4, this is 2. Am I right? 4 into 2, this become 8. Now 8 will be reduced from here. 275 minus 8, this is 267 is the answer. Comfortable? Are you happy? You're happy. Now you have done one of the toughest method. Copy da. Happy? I will give you one more question. You people are supposed to do in which method? Modified distribution method. Then only I will teach stepping stone. I need to get answer from you. Now you will be able to find out the answer in 10 minutes. Is it possible? While teaching it will take 40 minutes, 50 minutes for the first problem. You might have done it. Now every our previous question is like that. First problem we have taken 40 to 1 hour. Correct? Then all other questions you have done in 10 minutes. You understood properly? Yeah, show the calculation. Yeah, this is the optimal cost of transportation. Our answer is the best. You cannot reduce it further. You cannot reduce it to further. Happy? Now, can you do the second question? Hello? You finish? Please. Okay? Excuse me? Yeah. You're having job today. Good. Excuse me, can I? Hello? Now do it now. Do find out, find optimal solution. Write on. Find optimal solution to the transportation problem. Find optimal solution to the transportation problem from the basic feasible solution. Find optimal solution to the transportation problem from the basic feasible solution. Find the optimal solution to the transportation problem from the basic feasible solution. From the basic feasible, tell me, solution. Yeah, actually in this cell we allocated how many units? 5 units. How many units? 5. In this cell we allocated 2 units. Am I right? This cell we allocated 6 units. This cell we allocated 7 units. In this cell we allocated how many units? 2 units. Is that okay? Hello? This cell we allocated 12 units. Are you okay? Can you please find out the total cost firstly? Then you can write. Take your calculator. Take your calculator. Press MRC button twice. Press AC. Are you okay? 2 into 5 m plus. 2 into 5 m plus. 3 into 2 m plus. 1 into 6 m plus. 4 into 7 m plus. 1 into 2 m plus. 2 into 12 m plus. Press MRC. 76. Am I right? This is the question we got answer 76. Am I right? There is one question we got answer 80. You remember? In stepping stone method, I am going to teach you the question with the answer 80. This you will get answer directly. Can you do that? Please.